Welcome. This practice is for tired mom. Not just physically tired, but tired of holding everything together. Sit comfortably. Begin to tackle your upper body, slow and soft. Let the movement be imperfect. There is no right side, no right shape. Switch direction. You don't need motivation today. You don't need to improve anything. Just stay with me. Chest opening. Interlace your finger behind you. Gently open your chest. This is not about pushing forward. Just let the front of your body breathe. Release your hand, keeping your hands where they are. Hold forward. Let your head drop. You can put everything down for a moment. Slowly come onto your back. Cross your legs and hold the top of your feet. No pulling. Just stay where it feels safe. Switch side. Hug both knees in. Begin to rock gently from side to side. Like you are soothing yourself. Come into Shavasana, where you are relaxed, let your arms rest wherever feels natural. You don't need to do anything now. Rest is not something you earn. You don't need to be productive to deserve it. Just stay here. I'm with you. Thank yourself for showing up today. See you.